It's SharonB, Life by SharonB. Usually I'm on here bringing you guys new job leads and new side hustles, but today, switch it up. I did a Spark run today on Walmart Spark. So I wanted to show y'all real numbers. So I started at like 1:49 p.m. is when I got my first order. And when I dropped off, my last order was at 4:47 p.m. So that was about a little under 3 hours. And in that time, I made pretty good. So stick around and just come with me to do these Spark orders, to give you real numbers, to see how much I made. And at the end, I'll show you exactly how much I made in under 3 hours. So that's what I'm bringing you guys today. So for gig work, I just wanted to show you, if you do think about the Walmart Spark app, that you can make pretty good on it. And so stick around to the end and come on this run with me today.
So I'm out about to do a Walmart order. Yes, I still do this. About to do a little shopping order really quickly while I'm out. I gotta get in here and clean my phone because my grandbaby, I let her get this phone and oh my goodness, I'm trying to show y'all. Watch the phone off. 17. So I was able to clean my phone. We got 17 items to do. It's not that bad. Let's get it done. So yeah, we're gonna get 5 apples. Sign of fell on my leg. Why? Do better, Walmart. Now we finna find these baby cut carrots. Maybe they down here. They want the blue label. So now I'm done. That did not take long. That was my last one. I'm gonna go check it out. Checking out. My budget a mess. But they got a Spark line for you here. Hi. Good. So they're gonna review it. How you doing? Hi, and that's what she's doing. She's gonna review it. I ain't done it in so long. I know that I was gonna get one. Store. Oh girl, was so nice. Nice to do. I'm sorry about this cart, but the cashier was so nice. They're doing new stuff, how they check you and stuff. So your face pops up now. So somebody doing your spark, your face is popping up. I told her, shoot, sometime my daughters them got to get out here. You too. But I was like, that she waiting on the waiting list. Dang. Well, yeah, we leaving. Exit the store. We're exiting. I'm at my first drop, which is downstairs because I do have some waters, but I have my wagon. So let's go. Lock this at the door. No, I didn't do that. Why did that happen? Alright. Now let's get this water. So it's 2 o'clock. We just got another order. I'm about to do my second order. So I just arrived for the pickup. Let me confirm. So I do all the orders. I do pickups, I do the shopping, I do the route order, whatever they call that. So let's select our spot. We in spot 1. Okay, so we're just waiting to do the pickup. Like I said, I do them all. But yeah, I just wanted to do something different, guys, and get out and show y'all I still do this and I make good money. And you know, some people get on Walmart Spark because you can do, you know, what you choose. Some people get on here and just do the delivery. Some people get on here and just do shopping. That's the beauty of the Walmart Spark app. You can choose, and they got like 3 different things that you can choose from. But like me, I do them all because I'm about the money. I'm about the money. So yeah, so guys, so with my dropping videos for jobs and working at home, also I do gig work. I have plenty of videos about it, but that's my video for today because I'm out here working. So I just wanted to get y'all guys with me and do a different kind of vlog style video. So yeah, let's wait on this grocery. My pickup is ready. There. Is it 3 orders?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Then I'll put the other one in the front. All right, that's about it. Orders. Yep, got orders. First drop off on this order is just 5 minutes away. We at the first drop off. Let's see. Rihanna. I think she's not in here. On that order,
turn left onto North 75th Avenue.
It's only 5 minutes to the second drop off on this order. The last drop on this one ended up being 14 minutes away from the other stop. I'm still okay with that, but I haven't been out here in months doing this. So yeah, I took that order, but the next one I won't take like that. We had this last drop.
drop tight to the spot.
It's got an order. It's a $41 order.
At the
5
light, use the
pickups.
left 2 lanes to turn left onto North 83rd Avenue.
So this is my third
Continue
order.
on North 83rd.
So it was, so it's a lot of miles on this one, but I'm doing it. I don't mind the drive, and plus I'm gonna get done so fast with this. This is gonna be like nothing, and I'll still be able to get. I'm showing it. I'll still be able to do it to 5. It's just 3 o'clock, so we're gonna see if we can knock those. Why am I holding the camera so close? It's just 3 o'clock. We're gonna see if we can knock them out before, get a couple more orders before 5. But that's what we're doing here. We're about to pick this 5 drop-offs from Sam Club. I hope it can even fit in this car. All right.
This can?
Yeah. No, you can just push it down. Hi. Your Walmart order?
Yeah,
I'll sit it here.
that's fine. I know you need a picture.
Just trying to phone out. Thank you. Have a